Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Let me show you once again how I clean and sharpen my Mora and sharpen the spine, and then we'll try it out. Which contains alcohol will work well to clean all of that residue off the knife. Let me show you. Now, I like to make the bevel itself shiny again, so I use the coarse side of this stone, and instead of going back and forth like this, I'll go in and out, which sort of trues up the bevel, makes it shiny again, and it really shines it up. There's the unground side and the ground side. Now, when you do this to a Mora knife, you can really see how it's not a true Scandi grind, that it's actually hollow ground. You can see it on the tip right there, where it's hollow ground. Then I'll go ahead and sharpen the edge and then the spine. That is razor sharp. Now this has already got a burr on it, so the spine does not need to be sharpened, but just let me go through the motions and show you how I do that. Drag back 10 times on this coarse side and then feel for that burr. Still have a good burr on there. Let's go ahead and try it out. The little Fatwood feather stick. Bayite keychain ferro rod, 3-pack on Amazon, $15. And our little alcohol wipe, it should fire right up. And the last one, let's just do it sort of the old-fashioned way. Ferro ignite some of these leaves. You'll have to excuse the sound, FedEx is here. Let's try this new batch of leaves. I put the first ones in the stove. Let's use these bigger pieces. These are dry leaves out of the garage too. Now there's the standard moisture that's in the air, 30–40% humidity in the air, even in the garage. So, all right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all, and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. Did it ever go to flames?